Children, this is your social classwork. This index page, don't write anything, just write the name and class and subject also. If it is social classwork, write social classwork. If it is homework, write social homework. After writing your name, class and subject, leave this page. Next, come to next page. Write on the red line index in capital letters. Here serial number, then beside that write date and title and remarks. Children, this title is nothing but the name of the lesson. Then you should draw the line like this. Using scale only you should draw the line. Don't use your free hand to draw. Then as the index, next page also in the same way you should write index, serial number, date, title and remarks. Use your scale only to draw the line. Draw the line like this, then title, then remarks. In the next page, you should write the content. Then in the margin, write serial number and here name of the lesson. This page you should not write anything now, children. When the school reopens, when you come to the school, we will tell you what to write. You have to just put the heading and leave it. Next page also, as content means name of the lesson, as place will not be sufficient. Next page also put the heading as content. Left side in the margin write serial number, then name of the lesson and leave as it is. Next page you should write lowercase letters. Children, already you know how to write lowercase letters. Though you have written in your homework book, even you should write in your classwork book also. So let us start how to write the lowercase letters. Put the heading as lowercase letters. You should not keep the heading on the red line. Just below that line only you should write. Now, A. After writing A, make sure that you are leaving 2 finger space gap. And you should write only 4 alphabets in one line. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Your letters should touch the bottom line. Don't forget that. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, X, Y and Z. This X, children, don't write cursive X, write this X only. So in lowercase letters, leave 2 finger space gap between each alphabet and make sure that you are writing only 4 alphabets. As soon as you finish with your lowercase letters, turn your page and write uppercase letters. When you are writing uppercase letters also, don't write on the red line, just write in the below line. In the uppercase letters also, you should write only 4 alphabets in one line. A, B, C, again 2 finger space gap, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, Write carefully, children. How you write M? It should touch the line like this. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W also. All three should come in one line like this. X, Y and Z. Clear, children? As you write your uppercase letters, now we will come with below, above and middle line letters. First we will write above line letters. Above line letters. Put the heading, don't write any heading on the red line. Next, first, what are above line letters? B, D, F, H. Don't write this B up, line up and down. Don't put this circle down, children. Read, see carefully how I am writing, and the same way you write. This also you should write only 4 alphabets in one line. Then K, L and T. Then leave one line and next put the heading as below line letters. Don't think that place is there. No, I can adjust here only. Don't do like that, children. Okay. Next, below line letters. Why they are called as below line letters? Because they should come down the line like this. G, J, P and Q and Y. Usually you people will write Y like this, G like this. This is wrong. Don't write like this. Okay, children? Next, after this, leave one line and write middle line letters. Middle line letters. Here I have written only one alphabet is there, so I wrote. You can write down also, no problem. You can write down. Okay, middle line letters. In middle line letters, what all will come? A, C, E, I. Don't put circle, just put only dot, children. Next, come to the next line. M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X and Z. Children, all the letters I have given 2 finger space gap and I have written only 4 alphabets in one line. This below line letters only one Y I wrote. If place is not there, children, next turn the page and you can write. After you write all this basic work, you should leave this line page. Next page you should leave. And when we ask you to write the notes, at that time you should start from here. You should mention the date in the margin and lesson name should not be written here. You should write lesson name here on the left side. Our country, India. Suppose if you are writing the lesson, first lesson notes, you should write here like this, our country, India. Okay, children? Next, whichever words we give, don't write again lesson name here, you should write only here and write here keywords and then follow. When you are writing keywords, if there are 12 or 10 words, you people what you will do, actually you used to draw the line. This year you should not do that. If you are writing, you should first fold the paper into middle like this. Folding paper only you should do, children. You should not use scale at all. This folding is there, no? You put that keywords 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, and here you will write the other numbers and you will use. Instead of wasting this page, don't write in the next page. Here only you fold the paper into middle and start continuing. Then whatever question and answers we will give, you should follow in the same way. Whenever you are writing, children, remember that your handwriting must be neat.